Hi, I'm Tony from Ace Cyclery in Palmyra, WA. This is our latest creation. It's an Electra Rat Fink, being made electric by Solar Bike. We fitted a 11.6 amp hour solar battery pack here, which is 36 volts, and we have a electric hub motor which we've actually spoke into the wheel to match the back wheel. Goes really well, has a top speed of about 35 kilometers an hour and a range of about 35 kilometers as well. Very comfortable bike. All you do is push the button on here and away you go. You can go slow if you want or flat out. It has a low centre of gravity and flat foot technology, so very comfortable bike.